If your shampoo is weak, this helps boost work dead hair follicles faster. Most people wash their hair every week, but their scalp is still dirty, dry, and blocked. Today, I'm showing you guys how to turn your regular shampoo into a powerful herbs scalp cleanser using hibiscus, lavender, and honey. So stay tuned with me and we do it together. Hair losing, slow glowing, slow hair growing, irritation, and breaking are not a hair problem, okay? They are just a scalp problem. Okay, my queens, right now I'm going to put my hibiscus and lavender into my hot water, and also I will allow it boil for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can allow it boil like that and you cover it. So let us start doing the process. But before doing the process, please stay tuned and watch to the end, because there is a very important message that I want to tell you guys for using natural ingredients for your hair. So many people are complaining. Yesterday I even got a message, one of my video, and someone is saying that I use a clothes and clothes is turn my hair white. Clothes does not make people hair white. Anyway, that one will come to that. I will make a special video about that one. So right now I put my lavender and hibiscus into a fire. So please stay tuned and watch to the end, because I don't want you to do any single mistake while you want to grow your hair and you are rather damaging your hair. So my queens, right now I'm going to allow it boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will allow it sit for at least 1 day. That is what I always do. You can allow it for 1 day or 6 hours or 3 hours to infuse more. Okay, now you can see how my things is boiling, and I make it 5, but still the fire is okay for me. I will allow it get infused more before I bring it out tomorrow to strain it here. So please bear with me, and tomorrow we'll come back and do the things. But as I'm just saying, let us check and see lavender, hibiscus, the benefit of the ingredients. Okay, let's check and see hibiscus. Hibiscus is one of the powerful ingredients when it comes to the hair growth. So by people, after the next day, this is what we have. Now I bring my filter to filter it, because I don't want any particles to be inside. So you have to make sure the things that you are going to use to strain it will not have any particles inside to disturb your scalp. Okay, so hibiscus is working deep at the scalp. Okay, it's helping to stimulate black flows, and also is strengthening weak roof. Hibiscus is supporting thicker hair growing. Hibiscus is reducing excess shedding from your hair. Hibiscus, if you have gray mature hair and you are using hibiscus, with time you are going to see your hair getting darker. That is hibiscus for us. There are so many benefits of hibiscus which I cannot stand in this video to reach or to tell everything. So please make sure, if you want to do it also, I will tell you, do purchase test, and also you also can do research about it. Guys, don't mind me when I'm talking. I was trying to measure it, to count it. So because of the talking, I did not count. That's why I pour it back and I started put it inside again. I put 4 tablespoons or 5 tablespoons. It's okay. So right now, the next thing, I bring my shampoo. This is my daughter princess shampoo. This princess shampoo, because this cleanser I'm doing it for princess, is not for me. But as an adult, if you want to make the same cleanser shampoo, do the same ingredients but with different shampoo. The adult shampoo, use the adult shampoo to mix yours, not the baby one. But if you are going to use for your children, you are safe. You can use your children's shampoo to put inside. Okay, it doesn't have that you have to go and buy the children's shampoo. You know that the shampoo that you are using for your children while you are washing their hair, use that shampoo to do what? To make this cleanser shampoo. If you are using the black soap washing your, that's also another powerful thing. because black soap also, guys, I will talk about it in next another video. It's also one of the powerful one is come to use it as a shampoo or cleanser shampoo. So you can also use that one also to make your cleanser shampoo. So right now, let's check and see lavender. Lavender also is not just calming, making your scalp to get calm. It's also encouraging, helping, balancing scalp oil. Lavender is calms irritation if you have irritation scalp, and also if you have stress, like, because sometimes when your heart is not, you are not free, there is something with you, you are thinking, overthinking, all these things is causing our hair lossing. I added 1 tablespoon of some half tablespoon of honey, not 1 tablespoon, some half or teaspoon of honey inside. So now lavender also is refreshing tight follicles. If your hair follicles is so tight, it's not working, you are using lavender, is going to help you. Lavender is also relaxing scalp. Now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil inside. Lavender also is relaxing scalp and growing better hair. Better hair. When they say better hair, it means better hair. Your hair will start growing, in a way that you yourself, you are just going to wonder why you didn't start all this thing earlier. So cleanser shampoo is one of the best shampoo for when it's time for hair cleaning, because I know you always wash your hair every day, but those shampoo cannot clean your hair like the way that's, from gels to leave-in conditioner to butters, oils. Your hair needs cleanser shampoo at least once in a week or once in a month. So I mix that one and I put it aside. This one also, I'm going to use it to make something else. Just stay with me, my people. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil inside of this one. I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray. Okay, I'm going to use it leave-in spray. That is my lavender and hibiscus water. I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray. I added 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and I'm adding vitamin E oil, some few drop of vitamin E oil. So after that also, I'll also going to add a little bit amount of honey inside of it. So this one, how can you use this spray? After you put inside your spray bottle, in a day or try to use it at least, if you want faster result, try to use it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Spray into your hair, your scalp. Start from your scalp, massage your scalp, add your leave-in conditioner. Listen to me very careful. Add your leave-in conditioner, because some of us, our hair, the natural things is drying it. So you have to add your leave-in conditioner or your oil, your hair butters, to seal all the moisture into your hair. You are not washing it after using this thing. You are not washing it. The one that I just finished right now, pour it inside that spray, that water. You are not washing it off. When you do it, you are not going to wash it. Do it like that. Now I'm going to add water to dilute it more, because my daughter's scalp, we have some problem these days. I will explain to you guys maybe another video, or because the time will not be enough. So you use and spray into your scalp, massage it, and you add your leave-in conditioner, you add your hair butter, and you are good to go. That is all. So now honey, why I added honey into all my treatment. Honey is having natural immunity. Honey is locking hydration to your hair and also preventing dryness, and after washing your hair, is keeping scalp flexible and also supporting shining and softness, reducing hair breaking. Honey is is the moisture of process. Okay, if you want your hair to be keeping the moisture, that's the honey is good for you. So now what do we have? We have 3 different things. I have cleanser shampoo, I have my leave-in spray, and also the one that is inside my bottle, the water bottle, that one is going to be racing tea. After I wash my daughter hair with this shampoo, this one I will still dilute it with water to make it full. And after I wash with shampoo, I added the deep conditioner, wash everything thoroughly. Then the last thing is going to be the one that inside of the spray, the water bottle. I will use and rinse her hair. That time I will not rinse with water again, and bring her out and use my leave-in conditioner and the hair butter and seal the moisture into her hair. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and